Hi, I'm Jenny, virtual presenter of the Innova Plus channel. Innova Plus News, Biotechnology and Technological Innovation is on the air, bringing publications available on the internet between April 5th and 6th, 2024. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy and press the notification bell to stay on top of the channel's news, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's go to today's posts. First block, Biotechnology. News number 1, Sechat, April 5, 2024, STJ releases definitive list of speakers at the hearing on the use of cannabis in the production of medicines. The Superior Court of Justice, STJ, has released the list of upcoming speakers for a public hearing that discusses the use of cannabis in the production of pharmaceuticals. The hearing will discuss the importation and cultivation of cannabis sativa strains, grown nationally with low THC levels, for medical, pharmaceutical or industrial purposes. The event will take place on April 25, starting at 10 a.m. The selection process will consider various aspects, including opinions, individual experience, and the representation of speakers. The public hearing will consist of 5 panels, and the first panel will have the participation of DNA Salucos M Biotechnology and the National Health Surveillance Agency. The panel will also include the participation of the National Commission for Criminal and Penitentiary Policy, the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, and the Association of Cannabis Studies. News number 2, ISTO É, April 5, 2024, 3D printed animal tissues already reproduce vital functions. The 3D printing of animal tissues has gained functionalities beyond human exercise and has reached animal protection. The process of printing skin, gut and fat tissues has been used in cosmetic industry testing and food handling for the production of meat substitutes in the vegetarian and vegan markets. The body-on-a-chip (BOC) device, similar to an old one, is a promising technique to replace animal testing with tests for beauty, hygiene and perfumes. The 3D printing technique has also been used in testing plant products such as soybeans, beans and glycerin in fish leaves. The idea is to expand this technology to create options for the vegetarian and vegan markets. The process involves deposing a mixture of cells with a collagen solution into appropriate plaques, with the gut being incubated for 21 days to form the intestinal barrier. News number 3, PRENSA LATINA, April 5, 2024, Cuba and Chile exchange views on the biopharmaceutical industry. Cuba and Chile have expressed their support for the BioHabana 2024 event, which aims to promote the development of the biopharmaceutical industry in Cuba. Claudia Velasco, CEO of Grupo Circle in Chile, praised the BioCuba Pharma Group for its participation and for the opportunity to learn about the development of the sector. Velasco explained that establishing collaborations with Cuban companies in terms of biopharmaceuticals and electronic devices is beneficial both for the group and for other institutions participating in the event. Cuba is committed to the technology and human values of its scientists, and participating in the country's scientific progress will contribute to improving science in Latin America and promoting its entry into international markets. Mawat Solution, the real-time monitoring system that oversees vaccines in Chile, also expressed satisfaction with the BioHabana 2024 event as a platform for validating computerized systems. News number 4, PONTA News, April 5, 2024, with new technology, Brazil will produce medication for Hemophilia A. Brazil inaugurated the Hemophilia plant in Goiânia, Pernambuco, a public company of blood products and biotechnology. The plant will produce the drug recombinant factor 8, HEMA-8R, for Hemophilia A, a rare genetic condition that affects blood clotting. The plant will generate 2 million new jobs and begin processing, labeling, and packaging local products by December 2025. The Hemophilia unit will also meet 100% of the demand of the Unified Health System, SUS. The investment of 1.2 billion Brazilian reals represents the largest contribution to biotechnology in the health sector in the country. The project aims to reduce the country's external dependence on medical products and promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization. The project will also benefit thousands of people with hemophilia and contribute to the development of other blood products. News number 5, AgroRevenda, April 6, 2024, coffee experiment wins the Microbiome Brazil Challenge. On April 28, 2024, the fourth edition of the Brazilian Microbiome Challenge, DMB, took place in Indaiatuba, Brazil. The event, organized by Microbiome, aimed to promote efficiency and sustainability in Brazilian agriculture. 4 regional winners presented their work, each contributing valuable insights to the field. The regional winner of the Eastern Cerrado was announced as the national champion. Macon Leandro Soares and Patrick Vieira Silva developed an experiment exploring the effects of microbiome biotechnology on coffee farming, revealing significant improvements in the physical, chemical, and biological attributes of coffee, leading to increased quality and production over 3 consecutive weeks. Caio Sapia, commercial director of Microbiome's Direct Selling, highlighted the project's potential to connect academia with practical application in the field. The event also featured presentations by renowned national DMB evaluators, such as Dr. Fernando Dini Andriot, Dr. Rodrigo Mendes and Dr. Solismar Vensk Filho. The event aimed to promote sustainable agricultural practices and a more resilient and responsible future for Brazilian agriculture. Second block, technological innovation. News number 6, Life INFORMA, April 5, 2024, Agrotech Fair is launched at the Technological Innovation Park. The Agrotech Fair, an event focused on technology, will be held in São José dos Campos, Brazil, from September 18 to 22. The event will focus on exploring services and products with technological solutions for agriculture, with about 400 students from 5 countries and a potential audience of 50 million people. The event will be held at Parque da Cidade, with the aim of promoting regional development through the integration of research institutions, universities, and startups in the sector. The event will also feature live updates on the events, and public service announcements. The State Secretary of Agriculture and Supply stated that Brazil has the highest gross value of production per hectare in Brazil, and the agricultural sector is responsible for 15% of the state's formal jobs. The event will also feature the integration of the state's agricultural corridor, a project that aims to promote regional development through environments focused on innovation. News number 7, Blog do Amarildo, April 5, 2024, FAPDF employees are awarded scholarships for a master's degree in economic management of technological innovation at UNB. The University of Brasilia, UNB, offered 40 scholarships in management, innovation, economics, and technology to employees of the government of the Federal District, GDF, with a total investment of 1.2 million Brazilian reals. The initiative was signed in January by UNB, the governor of the Federal District, the Foundation for Scientific and Technological Enterprises, FINATEC, the Research Support Foundation of the Federal District, FAPDF, the State Secretariat of Economy of the Federal District, SEC, and the School of Government of the Federal District, IGOV. 5 scholarships were specific to FAPDF employees, with 3 pre-enrolled. The selection process for the professional master's degree in economics was held on March 8, and FAPDF employees, including jurist André Rank de Vasconcelos, Verena Guirios Serpa, and analyst Breno Lima Barão, were approved. The governor of the government, Eugênio Rocha, stressed the importance of improving education in the DF as a legacy of his mandate. News number 8, WSCOM, April 5, 2024, Artificial intelligence will lead to the personalization of medicine. The pandemic has accelerated technological innovation, leading to increased changes in the healthcare industry. The theme of this week's No Contraindication videocast, produced by Unimed João Pessoa, is the integration of artificial intelligence with artificial intelligence in medicine. The speakers, Guido Lemos and Dinio Marais, support Unimed João Pessoa's Med Minds program, which aims to advance predictive medicine by predicting the risk of developing diseases or adverse health events. Currently, a drug is given to the same people with a specific health problem, but with artificial intelligence, the drug could be developed specifically for each individual. The panelists also discussed debates in the medical field about whether machines will replace doctors, arguing that new technologies are yet another tool for advancing medicine. The videocast aims to share information about health, quality of life, well-being and advances in medicine, in addition to bringing news about Unimed João Pessoa. News number 9, Jornal Primeira China, April 5, 2024, FAPDF arrives in São Carlos on April 15. FAPDF, an event aimed at companies, non-profit institutions and scientific and technological innovation institutions, ICTs, will be held in São Carlos, on April 15, at 2 p.m. The Financier of Studies and Projects, FINEP, will present credit lines and business opportunities for the city's entire innovation ecosystem. The direct credit with FINEP is set at 15 million Brazilian reals, with the operation carried out by partner institutions such as Desenvolve SP. The event aims to promote the exchange of knowledge, networking, and business opportunities. FINEP Day has already been held in more than 20 cities, but the idea is to extend it to another 80 Brazilian municipalities.